everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I won Pinkfresh Studio's May Release, and that was super exciting, and I still can't believe I won the whole release, but I wanted to share with you what I received. So it came in this folder, and it is jam-packed with products. So let me take it out here and show you. So look at all of the release. It's so, I'm not sure, it should be the whole release, but it might not be. So maybe I don't know, but this is awfully nice of Pinkfresh Studio. So here are the stars, nested stars, and I have the hot foil, and I guess the die will cut out the stars there. So super pretty, great for 4th of July. Next, I'm going to be showing the Magnolias stamp, and I think this is such a beautiful stamp. Be the reason someone smiles today. I love that sentiment. And then I got the dies and the stencil there. So super pretty. I'll have to try that. And then Simplest Gestures. So this is a stencil set, and then you have the dies to cut everything out. It also has a hot foil. So those are the sentiments there. Hello, take care, thank you, best wishes. So pretty. And then there, I guess there's a stamp set too. So, and then here is the hot foil plate. Really pretty. I can't wait to use that. And then we have blooming vines. I love this background stamp, so pretty. And then the dies to go with it, and also the stencil. So pretty. And then the foil plate here is Peony print. So that is pretty. I might have went through it really quickly. I got the stencil, and then these are some plates, some cover plate dies. I love all the stitching, so pretty, and I am so thankful to have won. I have a few more haul videos and prizes that I will be uploading soon, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be back soon with another video. Thanks for stopping by and subscribing. Bye.